Super na-appreciate ko lang yung makeup ko na. Butcha. Hi, darlings.
And some strawberries and cream wrap.
In my cookbook. Eggs. Hi!
Hi!
So cute. Good morning. Today is March 11. It's currently 11:22 in the morning. I just woke up and right now I'm gonna prepare for my lunch. So join me guys. Hanapin ko lang yung pinapanood ko. Filipino series. It's called Wildflower. Makikita mo yung mga talaga nangyayari in real life in terms of Filipino politics. So yeah, I've downloaded para hindi mabilis malowbat. Parcel is, dito ka na i-open kasi super excited ako. Is 2025 planner. Ako kasi guys, I'm really using a planner pero ayoko yung digital planner kasi ayoko lang. At saka, ginagawa ko sa planner is I make it as somehow a journal or a diary. Kasi diba ito may dates. Kapag kasi yung normal lang na journal, ako pa yung magsusulat ng date. Ito kasi may dates siya, kaya I like it. Ayan. So, it says here, 2025 planner. I did this last 2024, pero nag-stop ako sa bandang early months lang. And super natuwa ako sa mga nabasa ko. Kaya, I want to do this again. So, yeah. By the way, this is what I'll be cooking. I marinated pork or yung pork chops para maging pork sticks sila. Ayan. So, prepare ko lang, guys.
Gusto ko naman ikasal mo kaysa magyuksa, aagaw. Ikaw at ako.
Hindi ka... Pinahirapan mo ako eh.
Dahil shoutout kay Tita, nagpa-picture sa akin kanina. Salamat po. I love you too.
Hi! So, it's already 3:35 in the afternoon. As you can see, nakaayos ako because we're going somewhere. I will be with my parents and we're with Kyle as well. Pag-grocery ko sila today and siguro we'll do other errands pa. So, join us guys. Super na-appreciate ko lang yung makeup ko now. Alam niyo ba may bago akong makeup routine? Like, I'm not using any base at all na. Talagang diretso blush na. Maybe I'll upload that sa TikTok ko na lang.
Yung sa kawayan na mais. Yeah.
5 minutes pa sa... Later, there's a man who's gonna say. Later.
Allah.
No.
Tama na.
Parang nagmamaka.
Mama, please, mama.
You want this one, oh?
Ayun na one. Wow. Dad?
Halika na, come on na.
Come on now. Sobrang cute. May sisig pa. Teka. Is it your birthday?
Yung bata.
Naka-pray lang to ah.
Dance ka na, dance, dance. Ay, 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 ay.
Nasa ano naman no?
Umipintig. Kung nagbabawas din yung Amazon Prime, hindi naman natin magagamit.
Ay, nakikimagabulan siya, oh. Ala. Ala.
Hanggang 4K po dito po.
Anza! Hi! Hello! Nicole! Isasama ko yun, gumalat ka.
Ang ganda ko naman.
Wait nga, te, ganyan nga lang.
Ma-expect mo dito.
Ang bangkay ni Ivy. But why?
Have a nice day.
Next WNBA final.
You wrote the citation and the report for both.
Good job.
What happened to your interview? Because of course, every single day.
Pero yan talaga yung witches.
What was that? I have trouble remembering.
So, I made this, alam mo yung tawag, pero pinaghalo-halo siyang carrots, singkamas, and cucumber. Tapos, meron siyang vinegar. Ayan. So, we're gonna try it for dinner. Good morning, guys. Actually, it should be good afternoon. Today is March 13. It's Thursday and it's already 12:54 in the afternoon. I just woke up now. Actually, nag-alarm ako ng earlier, mga 10 ata or 11, but I canceled them all because I'm still sleepy. I just want to share something that I've been doing na lately. That is to drink water. Ito yung pinakauna kong ginagawa kapag kagising. Of course, after everything na necessary, a lot of articles and TikTok vids na this is good daw. And sinasabi rin naman to ng parents ko that this is healthy. Kasi ako talaga yung kind ng tao na sobrang dalang ko mag-water, guys. As in, sobrang unti ko mag-water. But now, I'm practicing it. And napansin ko, kapag ito ang unang tinatanggap ng tiyan ko sa umaga, napaparami yung water ko throughout the day. And I don't know what's the scientific explanation for that, but that's what's happening. Hi! So, I just got home from Mass and I bought drinks again. Ayan, kasi maybe I'll edit vlogs tonight, so I need to stay awake. It's currently 10:35 p.m. and right now, I'm gonna be cooking pancit canton.
Tamaan?
Oo.
No, sorry.
Okay lang, baliw. Not your fault. It's...
Isang and then 12 strawberries and cream wrap.
Nag-donut din ako. Good evening. It's already 6:53 in the evening and sobrang dami naming ginawa. I'm finally home and sobrang daming nangyari. Hindi ko na rin na-vlog yung iba cause hindi naman pwedeng mag-vlog dun sa pinuntahan namin. And right now, I'm just snacking my Starbucks donut, my favorite chocolate donut, and another drink na in-experiment ko na naman or trinay ko na naman. Right now, I'm just gonna rest for a while and mag-cook na rin ako for dinner.
Talo ka na. Ay, stupid.
So girls, kung napupusuan niyo yung nakikita niyo ang eligible bachelor or know him more, good vibe, feeling niyo hindi kayo magmamatch, go ahead and pop your balloon.
Liver boy siya, pre.
Hi, so it's 5:45 already. Now I'll be cooking for dinner. So let's go.
Serious ka sa pagmamahal ko sa anak mo. See how... Let's get... We'll take time. Posibility natin yung mag-take. Sige ba?
Hi, I'm currently making Milo pastillas now. For dessert. Nakita ko lang kasi ito sa ref. Paubos na rin siya. So, ginawa ko ng Milo pastillas since meron din naman kaming Milo. So, I'm finished doing it. Ayan. It's cute. It's circles. Bukas na naman ito kakainin, guys. Ooh, kasi need pa siyang patigasin sa ref. So cute. Drink kombucha. This kombucha is really good for your gut health. Talagang ginagawa ko to every after meal or bago matulog o kaya naman kapag kagising. So, shots lang ang ginagawa ko sa kanya. Ayan. Ooh! Hi darlings! So today is March 17. It's already 3:44 in the afternoon. Actually, wala pa akong ginawa today. Ang ginawa ko lang is nag-content pa. Hindi pa ako nagluto for lunch kasi inuna ko na yung pagko-content. So right now, I've filmed a lot of content. I-upload ko sa TikTok ko. And yeah, actually dapat pupunta ako ng Talipapa ngayon kasi I need ceiling green. Pero mainit kasi so baka hindi na rin. So pagsasagaan ko lang yung mga ingredients na meron ako dito. So yeah, let's go!
Wala po ka ganun. Work ko sabi ko. Basta ito nyo.
Tama lang na magtawag ng Diyos kapag mamamatay ka na! Anong akala mo? Piruan lang! Nakulang to!
Hi! So, it's already 8:48 in the evening. Kakatapos ko lang mag-restore dito sa kitchen. And right now, I sat here sa dining table because I'm gonna write sa journal ko and pati na rin sa cookbook. Here are my journal and my cookbook. Yan. Bukas mag-grocery ulit kami and pupunta sa wet market because we've run out of stocks na.
Ayos ka lang?
Hello darlings! So today is March 18. It's already 1:17 in the afternoon. Ngayon pa lang ako magluluto ng lunch cause late ako nagising and nag-content din ako saglit. Today marami kaming gagawin because it's the time of the week. Go for a grocery and mamamalengke rin kami for our stocks for the upcoming week. So later sama ko kayo guys.
Sibaw.
Right now, mag-ano kami, mag-grocery and pupunta rin kami sa wet market. Sobrang daming hindi na ano yan, no?
Bitana, aircon.
Hi! So, it's already 5:35 in the afternoon. Kakatapos namin mag-grocery and bumili na rin kami sa wet market, guys, ng mga stocks ulit dito sa bahay. So now, I'll just be organizing them all para maayos ko rin sila based sa kung kailan ko sila gagamitin this week. Ayan, so yan yung mga pinamili. Organized ko lang sila, nilabas ko lang lahat sila dito sa box and I'll be organizing them all.
What are your mother when you feel that you are...
Woo! Uy, baka mag-open yan, ah.
Super ka?
Ala, grabe! Tingnan mo siya. Come, look, oh, look, oh. Look, oh. Say hi!
Hi!
Ay, dali. Say hi!
Hi!
Hi! Oh, say hi!
Show your teeth!
Oh, show your teeth!
Say bye-bye, say bye-bye.
Kiss, flying kiss.
Lawan mo ba?
Oh, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Ah, bye-bye. Uy! Muntik siya atap ba? Ala. Hi! So, it's already 7:38 in the evening. Kakauwi ko lang. Ang dami nangyari today. Hindi ko na na-film kasi everything was really heavy. So, nagpa-check up ako and I learned na meron pala akong urinary tract infection. So, I need to be more conscious about my diet and of course, yung mga ini-intake ko na food. So, kanina bumili lang kami saglit sa palengke ulit ng mga fruits and other leafy vegetables na magagamit ko. And, niresetahan din ako ng antibiotics ng doctor. And also, we went sa bahay, yun. I'm gonna be preparing for dinner. Ipapainit ko lang yung beef enoki mushroom rolls na inulam kagabi. Okay, so, let's go, guys. My fit. Tinanggal ko na yung doll shoes. Sayang, ang ganda sana nun. But this one. Eto, binili ko to sa, actually, binili ni sponsor sa Baguio to. It's a knitted sweater. Sobrang ganda nito. Butas-butas siya, kaya hindi siya super mainit. Then, inside, I'm wearing a halter top.